This is an Arizona's Family News Update.
Good evening, I'm Spencer Blake, and here are the latest stories we're following from the Arizona's Family Newsroom. The state reported an additional 2,700 confirmed coronavirus cases today, bringing the state total to over 141,000 known cases. Another 147 deaths were reported today. That includes 106 that were newly attributed to COVID-19 after health officials' latest periodic reviews of death certificates. More than 2,700 Arizonans have died from complications of the virus. And taking into account the 9,000 tests that were added to our state's numbers Saturday, our 7-day rolling average of the test positive rate is slowly dropping. It's down 5 percentage points from last weekend. It's now at 23%. 15 states are now requiring Arizonans to quarantine for 14 days if they visit. Among them are New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, and Alaska and Hawaii. Now, there are some exceptions in some states, and we have full details on those travel restrictions at azfamily.com. Tributes have been pouring in from around the world, the country, and the state to honor civil rights icon and longtime Congressman John Lewis. That includes a local reverend who was able to meet Lewis at the Congressional Black Caucus in 2016. That Phoenix reverend says even in the brief meeting, Lewis had the ability to always make people feel important, and he reminded the reverend to always keep fighting for justice. Lewis passed away after a 6-month battle with pancreatic cancer. Arizona's Weather Authority has the 7-day forecast, and it is another hot weekend, hitting 113 on Saturday, 110 on Monday. But things are going to drop as we look into next week. At the end of next week, dropping to highs of 104, 103, and 4 days in a row with at least 20% chance of monsoon storms. We'll see if they materialize. Could be good news for the end of the week. Well, for updates on more stories, just download the Arizona's Family News app and make sure you check us out on your Roku device as well. I'm Spencer Blake. Have a good night.